U.S. indices slightly positive. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look in the description for a link. The Nasdaq 100 has rallied pretty significantly during the early hours on Thursday, but also gave back quite a bit of the gains. All things being equal, though, this is a market that's been very powerful and bullish for some time. So I think the Nasdaq 100 will eventually try to reach the all-time highs. We are facing the initial surge of selling pressure back in February. So I expect this part to be very noisy. The last couple of percent of a move typically is. If we can clear the 22,200 level, this market will take off. Regardless, I think any short-term pullback at this point in time is going to be bought into. And if we were to drop to the 21,000 level, I think there's plenty of buyers in that area. The Dow Jones 30 tried to rally, but gave back its gains pretty early in the session. It still looks as if it is supported at the 42,000 level, which we're not too far above. So I think a short-term pullback is possible, followed by a bounce. The 50-day EMA is getting ready to try to break above the 200-day EMA, kicking off the so-called Golden Cross, which does have a bit of influence. I am a buyer of this index. I just recognize we have some work to do and probably will chop quite a bit in this area. The S&P 500 initially rallied. It touched the 6,000 level and then just fell apart. If we can break above the 6,000 level again, that would obviously be a very bullish sign. But like in the Nasdaq, we are facing that initial push lower, and that probably is going to be somewhat difficult. I do like the S&P 500 eventually, but we may need to go sideways for a while in order to work off some of the noise that we continue to hear out of headlines, such as the federal judge striking down the idea of tariffs in the United States, which of course will tie it up in a legal battle. Truthfully, from everything I'm seeing, that will probably be overturned pretty quickly. So here we are. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.